Let me show you how you can start easily with FlowyTeam. What are the first steps? As you can see here on the top, you have an access as an admin as well as access as an employee or team member. Let me first show you the access as admin. First, you can go to Settings. Under Settings, you find for each module customizable option. If you want to customize your FlowyTeam, please upload your company logo as well as your color schemes for your admin access, employee access or client access. Under module setting, you can enable or disable modules you want to use or you don't want to use at the moment. This applies to admin modules, employee modules, as well as client modules. Under label override, you have the option to override, for example, employee as team members, and so on. Under custom fields, you can add fields such as text, number, password, text area, select, radio option, and date for modules such as client, employee, project, and task. FlowyTeam will add more customizable fields for each module. Under Integration API key, you can add your API key, as well integrate with Zapier, or for example for KPI, you can integrate via the option KPI data source via further integration options such as Google Sheets or Google Analytics. Please explore more customizable options for each module, such as attendance, leave, KPI and OKR, engagement for 360 reviews, as well as for weekly check-ins for OKRs, Learning Hub, reward, tasks, projects, time log, tickets, and leads. You also can customize your dashboard by clicking on the boxes here if you want to display it under your dashboard or disable it. This applies for admin as well as for team members. Under notification settings, you can select email notifications, as well as you have the option for Slack integration, as well as for push notification in the system, which you then can see here under the bell. So please enable or disable notification for emails as well as for push notifications. Under currency settings, you can add currencies you want to add to the FlowyTeam system. Then, after you add the currency, please go to company settings and add the default currency and update it accordingly. Under storage settings, you can choose an external storage, for example AWS, Google Drive storage or Dropbox storage. Under roles and permissions section, you can add new roles such as lead manager, sales manager, and save it here accordingly. It will then appear under this list view, in this example lead manager, which you just added. Then click on the button permissions. There you can select all permissions, or you select certain permissions for certain modules such as adding, viewing, updating and deleting options. After you have set up FlowyTeam under settings and customized the modules accordingly, please go to the module Employees and click on Employee. You can add employee data via Add New Employee, or you can import all your employee data via CSV file. Therefore, please follow the instructions here. Let's go into one of the employee profiles by clicking on the Edit button. You can make someone a manager by choosing True, and under Employment you can choose in which department someone is working, what position title someone has, and to whom someone is reporting as a manager. Also, an employee can work in several departments, so please choose here the department accordingly. These are the first steps how you can easily set up FlowyTeam. If you need further guidance, please go to the support section. Here you can find all the tutorial videos by clicking on the top right. All tutorial videos will then pop up here for each of the modules. You also can directly talk to us. Either we will reply in real time or at least within 24 hours. You can click on the FAQ list here if you need here also further guidance, or searching for answers here under the search button, for example for KPIs or for OKRs. I wish you all the best and a lot of success with FlowyTeam in building high-performing teams in your organization.